Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, peeps. How you guys doing? Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another Vlogmas day number 23. Hope you guys are doing good. We are moving on forward with Jesus. So today I will be showing you guys how I make chicken. So I will be cooking. Well, actually, I have decided to cook early in the morning because I've realized when I'm coming back from work, I cannot cook, and it's just a problemas, or whatever you want to call it. So I decided to do it in the morning. So today I will be showing you guys how to make very nice moist chicken that you are going to love, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Right now I'm just working out. I work out Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sundays I take my day off from working out. So guys, let's go ahead and let's get this started. I'm washing my dishes right here, get ready to clean whatever things in the sink, because like you can't cook with things in the sink. We gotta get rid of those whatever in the sink and then start cooking. Well, subscribe to my channel for more content to come, and I will see you on my next video. Guys, the chicken is cooking. Look at that. So scrumptious. Alright, y'all, it's an hour later. My chicken is looking nice and moist, guys. The camera is not giving it no justice, but the chicken is well cooked. It's dark. I love my chicken dark, by the way, because it shows you that the chicken is well cooked and the moisture is there. Everything is just mwah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to the channel for more content to come, and share this video with your friends.